This is Captain Kevin Tidwell, Public Information Officer for the Turlock Fire Department with an update on the use of cloth face coverings. While the City of Turlock is not requiring the use of face coverings, the City is recommending that the public follow the recommendations set forth by the CDC, which include wearing cloth face coverings. Due to the fact that the COVID-19 virus can spread between people interacting in close proximity, such as speaking, coughing, and sneezing, even from those people not exhibiting symptoms, the CDC is recommending wearing cloth face coverings in public settings where other social distancing measures are difficult to maintain. These cloth face coverings should cover your nose and mouth and can be made from household items or made at home from common materials at a low cost. The cloth face coverings recommended are not surgical masks or N95 respirators. Those are critical supplies that must continue to be reserved and fitted for healthcare workers and first responders. It is important to remember that these face coverings are not a substitute for social distancing. The CDC continues to recommend staying at least 6 feet away from other people, as well as frequent hand washing and everyday preventative actions. For more information on making, using, and cleaning cloth face coverings, visit cdc.gov/coronavirus. Thank you.